Guys, what's up? So this is old bus 34. This was 181. It's out of service now. They actually took its engine and put it in 40. We're gonna do a quick walk around just so you guys can see it. So there's the international emblems, 34, Lebanon City Schools. And here's the back of the bus, 34. You can probably see the shadow of 181 up there. And then there's the other side, Lebanon City Schools. There's the inspection sticker where it got ripped off, 34. So this was actually replaced with a 2021 C2. Look inside real quick. Probably can't go in too far because I've got parts of an engine here. So there's the back. Looks like it's missing. Oh, never mind. There's the back. There's the asset number, 206862. There's the dash, all that kind of fun stuff. Yeah, so this is 34. Thought you guys would like to see a quick tour before it goes. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.